Meaning of hand-to-hand.
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 Hand-to-hand. The term hand-to-hand generally refers to combat or fighting that takes place in close proximity without the use of weapons. It is a phrase that indicates physical engagement between opponents, often involving punching, grappling, and other close-range techniques. The resulting outcome of hand-to-hand combat can vary greatly based on the skill and strength of the combatants, as well as the specific circumstances of the confrontation. In general, hand-to-hand combat is considered to be a highly intense and potentially dangerous situation, requiring a high level of physical fitness, strategy, and mental toughness.